Hello friend, welcome to Bricks Embedded System tutorial. I am Rajiv and in this tutorial we are going to learn how to design the mechanical part of a robot, which can be used as a line follower robot or Bluetooth control robot, Wi-Fi control robot, DTMF controller and many more. So to start with, you should have a small base on which you will fix all the devices. You should have two motors. You should have two clamps to fix these motors. You should have a caster wheel to give a third support on the base, and you will need some nut bolts to fix all these uh, thing on the base. And at the end you must have a development board, which will be used to program the robot. So to start with, we need to fix the motor first. So on the chassis we need to fix the motor like this, not like this, so that the main part of the motor should come in the center and the shaft should go on the back. Similarly, we need to fix second motor like this, like this. So to fix these motors we have this clamp which we can use to fix it, like we will fix it like this on the motor, and using two holes we will fix this motor like this. Similarly, on the other side we will use the other clamp and we can fix it like this using all the screws. Once we will fix these things, we can easily put the wheels on the shaft of motor. So one wheel on this side and the other wheel on this side. And at the same time you must also fix this caster wheel on the front side of your robot, so that the level of your robot plate will be horizontal and the robot will stand on the plane surface easily. Once all these things will be fixed, we need to fix the final thing, which is the development board, AVR bootloader board. So to fix this we need to fix it like this. So to fix it here we need to use this longer screw like this, and put these pipes, one bigger one and one small one, and same on the all four holes on corners. So I'm just fixing the two, one is here and on one of the on the other end. So once we will fix, the board will get fixed on the robot like this. So once you will fix all the components on this board, the robot will look like this. So these two are wheels on motors, one is caster wheel, these two are the wires for these two motors, which we need to connect on the L293 of this board. So one will get connected here and the other will get connected here. So on this board you have a USB connector where you can connect a USB wire to connect it to your computer. So using this wire you can get power for this board, as well as you can transfer the code also to the microcontroller. So for programming as well as power we are using this connector. This is the caster wheel, and on the from top the these two. So that's all for the mechanical part of the robot. Once you will finish this mechanical task, we can go for programming and different making of different type of robots. So on using this mechanical system we will build a Bluetooth control robot, we will build Wi-Fi control robot, we will build line follower robot, we can build anti-falling robot, we can build anti-collision robot, we can build DTMF control robot. Similarly, we can make more than 20 to 30 different type of robots using this mechanical part. So in further tutorials, we will learn how to build all these robots. So that's all for this tutorial. Please keep watching our tutorials to learn more, and please subscribe our channel on youtube.com. Thank you.